Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and thank you for joining me today. In this video, I will be demonstrating a simple and effective method to remove candle wax from glass. Whether you have a cherished glass candle holder or a beautiful glass centerpiece, this technique will help you restore its natural shine. So, let's get started. Before we begin, make sure you have the hot water prepared. If you aren't subscribed, please do it now before we begin. Fill your heat-resistant bowl or container with boiling water. Ensure that it is large enough to immerse the glass object entirely. Be cautious not to burn yourself during this process. Wait and let the wax soften. Allow the hot water stay in glass object for a couple hours. I will wait until tomorrow morning because it's too late now. The hot water will soften the candle wax, making it easier to remove. Okay, it's tomorrow morning and I'm going to check my candle glass. You can easily remove wax from glass by hand or using a spoon or butter knife. Be careful not to scratch or damage the glass while doing so. Now we will try to remove big pieces with the water. Once you have removed the majority of the wax, take a soft cloth or sponge and dampen it with warm water. Gently wipe the glass surface to remove any remaining wax residue. For stubborn spots, you can use a mild dish soap or a mixture of equal parts vinegar and water to assist with the cleaning process. Rinse the glass thoroughly to remove any soap or vinegar residue. Finally, take a clean and dry cloth to gently pat the glass object dry. Once it is completely dry, you can step back and admire the beautiful, wax-free glass surface. Now you can use your glass for various things, such as a pencil holder, a storage for screws, and other things. With these simple steps, you can easily remove candle wax from glass using hot water, restoring the beauty and elegance of your cherished glassware. I hope you found this demonstration helpful and that it assists you in keeping your glass objects looking their best.